Hi everyone, welcome to the Jewelry Making Fun collaboration. I am your host and I am late. I'm so sorry to my team of collaborators and also to all you viewers. I don't know what happened. I had it on my planner, but somehow the 18th came around and I didn't realize it was here already. And I had meant to do this a few days ago. Anyway, each month we have a color, and this month, April, the colors are silver, gold, copper, and bronze, all metallics only. And then option challenge 1 is make a bracelet of any kind. And optional challenge 2 is incorporate drop beads, example raindrops for April showers. I'm not doing the raindrops thing this time. Honestly, I'm kind of tired of rain. It is overcast today. I don't think it's been raining unless it's been drizzly. But it rained again yesterday, and we had a few very nice days in the 70s in Fahrenheit, mid 70s, even high 70s, almost I think 80 one day. And now we're back down in the 50s, and it's a little cool, and I have the heat on again. It's so crazy. Anyway, all right, so what am I doing? I have a mess of little beads here in copper, bronze, silver, and I don't know if there's any gold in here or not, but all metallic. This was a bracelet of my mother's. It was a stretch bracelet because there's the piece of stretch. And I thought and I don't know if it's all here, because I remember when it broke and I said, I'll take it back and I'll do something with it. So if I need to, oh, these, I don't know if they're just silver or if they are gold with some silver. Anyway, those feel like metallicized plastic. These are heavy like metal. And they're like, what do they call those? Rococo beads, I think. So I'm going to organize it, and I have .8, nope, 1 millimeter stretch cord, which should be strong enough, although I have had some problems with this cord in the past. So we'll see. But that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to make a stretch bracelet using all metallic, and I'll come back with the finished bracelet. See you soon. Hello, I'm back, and this is the bracelet. I was missing one of these, and I think that's it. Oh, no, and one copper. But they're in the back. Let's see, this one here, see where there's that, and then there's this, and then there's not one of these on the other side or a copper. But that is where I put the knot. This will probably just be for me to wear in memory of my mother, because it was hers. And I remember the day she bought it, actually, at a store that's no longer in business. So anyway, I really like it. It's a little chunky monkey, but very easy elastic stretch bracelet. Just rolls off and on. There you go. And I made the knot kind of big, and I put some GS Hypo cement on, so I don't know if I'll end up restringing it, but like I said, it's just for me, so I'll be wearing it, maybe even today. I hope you enjoyed. Please do go check out everyone else if you haven't already, and again, my apologies to the team and to the participants, but this was a pretty quick project, and that's another reason I didn't do the drop beads for raindrops. Plus, I knew I had this for a long while now, and I finally did something with it. And I actually was inspired by this bracelet at some point and went out and bought, when did I buy these? I don't know. I don't have a date on here. From Michael's, they had these. Now, these are a little larger, and because originally I thought, well, if there's anything missing on here, I can use these, but they're, except for this Rococo bead thing, they're a little bit, all the other ones are bigger. So I didn't want to do that, but I'll use these in some other future projects. Yeah, someday, hopefully soon, sooner than later. Again, thank you. Have a wonderful day. Have a wonderful week and weekend, and I will talk to you again very soon. Hugs, love, and peace.